able to see that we're part of this bigger universe, 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 part universe, bigger universe, bigger experience. Not able to see that we're part of this bigger universe. We're not separate from it. We're not distinct from it. We're made from the same things. We're subject to the same forces. And many of the processes, of course, evade us. There are processes that happen incredibly fast that we cannot experience as humans. There are processes that take incredibly long time scales, from geology to astronomy, that we can't appreciate because we have short lives and short attention spans. And there are vast things and tiny things and hot things and cold things, our kind of monkey experience. And yet our brains can study those things and comprehend them. And try to make sense out of those things. And it's not just through science, right? Because science can take us so far, but then we need to, in a way, try to relate them to people that they can get a grasp on them through mathematics partly, but through art and culture and through music.
Why are we here? Well, the truthful answer is random chance. Our life is inescapably probabilistic and chancy. Then you say, well, people don't like to be here for no purpose. And then I say, well, it's up to us. What is our purpose? There's no reason that I have ever heard of why we should be that different from horses and amoebas. We're more complicated and we're bigger, but that doesn't mean we're better adapted to our world. The amoebas will be here after we're gone. I'd like to be able to say, here's my family history, and it goes all the way back to the Big Bang. If the telescope were pointed at a region in space and just given the time exposure, that we would be able to pick up the signal from a bumblebee at the distance of the moon. There's a chance to see something that's very faint, some kind that nobody has ever imagined. What could that be?
From the time I was able to sort of start forming questions even about the world, I was asking questions about the sky and about the stars. I have been interested in space and astronomy and all the big questions that go with it since the time I was a really little kid. You know, we're missing that very first piece, the first chapter in the story of the universe. We're totally missing. We've never seen it. So when you add up, you know, the deep infrared light we'll get from Webb with the visible light we have from Hubble and the X-ray light we have from Chandra, you can sort of put together a more complete picture of what those sources are like. We're connected to the cosmos. What's out there is what's in us, people that we're fighting in wars right now. We're all humans, you know, we're all sort of connected in this deep cosmic way.